Hello and welcome to one more session of vocabulary from iQuanta. So start immediately without wasting any time. Normally I don't waste any time either. You can download this app, that is the iQuanta app, and you can make some money just by engaging yourself. Comment करिए, comment को like करिए, कुछ भी करिए, पैसे बनाइए. Anyway, the first, and of course you've got the IP Mat batches that are open for admission. And by order of the Peaky Blinders, let's have some fun. I don't know Calgary कितना fun है आपके लिए, but yeah, क्या ही करें, मजबूरी है. Let's have it. First word, affable. Okay, friendly, I suppose. Yeah, friendly, good-natured or easy to talk to. अपन विनम्र है. All right. तो ये विनम्र हो रखे हैं. इस समय affable हो रखे हैं. Synonyms are amiable, cordial, congenial, genial, and convivial. All right. I think we can have a lot of words that we can note down and mark. तो बच्चा amiable, कॉर्डियल पता होगा, मिस कंजीनियलिटी तो आपके कॉलेजेस में, स्कूल्स में, कंपटीशन में एक इनाम दिया जाता है. जीनियल वही से एक ये वर्ड कन्विवियल, प्लीज मार्क दिस वन बेटा, CONVIVIAL. ठीक है, तो एक नया वर्ड तो और मिलता है अफेबल के साथ, दैट गोस इन द फैमिली ऑफ सिनोनिम्स, मतलब फ्रेंडली, गुड नेचर्ड, बढ़िया व्यवहार. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द एंटोनिम विल बी, ये देखो, prickly, irritable, discourteous, impolite. I think all the words are known to you. Prickly, irritable, discourteous and impolite. ऐसा कोई discourteous, maybe courteous, discourteous, फिर भी spelling note कर सकते हैं just in case. But I assume कि ये word आपको पता होगा. You should know this word already. But if you don't, kindly note it down. Prickly, prickly heat. Okay, prickly भी ठीक है. So the first word was affable. And convivial उसका एक synonym family में जा रहा है, and discourteous antonym में जा रहा है, and this is how we use it. The professor's affable nature, friendly nature, made her popular among students who found it easy to approach her with questions. तो professor का व्यवहार बहुत अच्छा था, बड़ी friendly थी, and students they found it easy to approach her and tell her her problems. आपके साथ आपके पास problem ही problem तो है, और है क्या? Next is plummet. Go down, 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 down. This is going. This is dum. Let or make something fall vertically to fall rapidly, decrease rapidly in value or amount. But ये abstract sense में we can use this one. That is decrease rapidly in value or amount. Otherwise, physically तो falling down. That is plummet. Just as suppose just for example, the price of potato has plummeted. मतलब नीचे गिर गया इस तरह से. गोल्ड प्लमेट तो नहीं हो रहा, गोल्ड तो ऊपर ही जा रहा है, जस्ट इन केस नीचे आता है तो इट प्लमेट्स. Synonyms are plunge, hurtle, nosedive, descent and tumble. All right. I think plunge is known to us. Hurtle नोट कर सकते हैं, हालांकि बुक्स एंड नॉवेल्स में काफी इस्तेमाल हुआ है इस वर्ड का. Nosedive, descent and टम्बल तो लुढ़कते हुए आना होता है, ठीक है. बट हाँ, फैमिली, I keep saying the same thing again and again that when we talk about synonyms or antonyms, it's not that they are interchangeable, but yeah, they are most close to the meaning. एक ही परिवार के लोग हैं, एक ही जैसे दिखते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही हैं वो. All right, so please always bear this kind of distinction in your mind when you talk about synonyms or antonyms. Antonym increase, ascend or soar. ये कहां से फिट हो रहा है इनका? I don't know how they fit this one, but yeah, it is increase. Yeah, plummet में नीचे आ रहा है, and उसका opposite क्या है? Everything is going up, so of course ascending. How do we use it? The car plummeted to the bottom of the canyon. All right, canyon के वो कुछ ज्यादा स्पीड में होगा, पता भी चला उसको कि यहाँ पे लैंड खत्म हो रहा है, तो खत्म हुआ भाई साहब, प्लमेट कर गए. ओके, सो द कार plummeted to the bottom of the canyon. Next word is phlegmatic. I think it is being practical. Okay. Meaning of a person having an unemotional and stolidly calm disposition. ये देखिए, totally unemotional. काम तो कहीं से नहीं लग रहा है, but हाँ unemotional पक्का लग रहा है. जाओ सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. ये वाले नहीं है, नागिन वाले हैं, सपेरा बने थे इसमें भाई साहब. All right, that is phlegmatic. ज़्यादा emotion नहीं दिखाता है. It's a stoicism, stoic. People who control their feelings even if they are going through a lot of pain. Composed, serene, tranquil, placid and impassive. But please note down all the words. Composed आपको पता होगा, ठीक है, calm and composed. Serene, tranquil, placid and impassive. These are all the words that belong to the family of synonyms for phlegmatic. All right, without showing much emotion. Cool, calm disposition है, बहुत ज़्यादा चेहरे पे भाव नहीं आ रहे हैं. All right. Tranquil, tranquilizer जो शांत करने के लिए दिया जाता है, ठीक है. Especially those the big cats जो छूट गई गलती से गांव की तरफ आ गए, they enter the villages and all, तो उनको क्या किया जाता है, डांट मार के tranquilize किया जाता है. Okay, शांत किया जाता है, and then they are captured and sent back to the forest. Antonyms: excitable, emotional, demonstrative, passionate. Emotional कर दिया यार. All right, this is I don't remember which movie is this, but yeah, ये सारे words हमें पता है. The most common word that we use normally is passionate, which means show of emotion. Fine. Ulta, phlegmatic, not any show of emotion. So we have, how do we use it? All right. Even though Jeff is constantly being yelled at by his wife, he normally remains phlegmatic and does not get upset. अब ये तो हर husband का मतलब सभी की यही व्यथा है, तो इसमें बुरा नहीं मानना चाहिए. All right. और जेफ बुरा मान भी नहीं रहा है. He remains phlegmatic and does not get upset. कोई इमोशन नहीं शो करते हैं, बोलते हैं ठीक है वाइफ है, डांट रही है, सुन लेते हैं. सभी का हाल यही है, हम कोई निराले थोड़े ना. We are nothing that is who is different from others, so it's okay. वाइफ स्कोल्डिंग तो चलता है. अप्रोबेशन खत्म हो गया क्या? प्रेज और अप्रूवल. दिस इज अप्रोबेशन. ऑल राइट. Approval, appreciation, assent, adulation, veneration, and plaudits. All right, I think we can go for the last two words. That is veneration and plaudits. अब venerate basically respect करना भी होता है, ठीक है. हाँ, तो approval, appreciation, assent, एक dissent होता है, खिलाफत. All right, and adulation is kind of abnormal praise. That is adulation. Okay, veneration and plaudits. Fine. So beta please note down last two words, veneration and plaudits. ऊपर के approval, appreciation, assent and adulation, I think they are known to us already. Antonyms are criticism, denial, disfavor, repudiation and reproach. Again beta last two words, kindly note them down before we read what is happening with the GIF. Repudiation and reproach, that is antonyms of approbation. I'm an expert on rejection and I can see it on your faces, and it's too bad that you judge us by the way we look and not by who we are. All right, how we look, वो आपने prejudices create कर रखे हैं अपने मन में. That is repudiation and reproach, criticisms. All right, how do we use it? A murmur of approbation and satisfaction ran through the crowd after the speech was delivered. तो लोग थोड़े satisfied हो गए, शांत हो गए, ठीक है, and they gave the speaker their approval or appreciation. Okay, so that is approbation. Pro, appreciate. Yes. Abstinence, दूर रहना. I think so. The fact or practice of restraining oneself from indulging in something, typically alcohol. When your mom combs your hair, you look like this. All right, that is बाल कटे भी और पता भी चला है, एक स्टाइल ये भी होती है. All right, but abstinence, to keep away from the bad things. That is typically alcohol. उसकी बात करते हैं, तो abstinence की बात करते हैं. All right. Synonyms: temperance, sobriety, refraining, teetotalism. All right, बेटा सब कुछ पता होगा. पहला मार्क कर लो. The first one, that is temperance. The second one, that is sobriety. Refraining and teetotaler वो बंदा होता है शराब बिल्कुल नहीं पीता है, जैसे कि मैं जिंदगी के ही नशे में घूम रहा हूँ. Teetotalism and refraining. But please mark down the first one, temperance and sobriety. And of course, मेरी बंदी है कबीर सिंह. हाँ, antonyms will be promiscuity. मैं आज तक इसको प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर पाया हूँ, तो एक बार फिर मैं फेल हो गया, बट एनीवे बेटा प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. वेरी कॉमन वर्ड. ओके, कुछ भी बुरा एक्सप्लेन करना होता है तो ये वर्ड यूज कर, promiscuous करके कुछ यूज कर लेते हैं, तो PROM, promiscuity. ऑल राइट, ठीक है. आई होप आई एम सेइंग इट राइट. इवन इफ आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट राइट, यू नो ये वर्ड तो है ही है, मीनिंग तो है ही है कुछ ना कुछ उसका, ठीक है. ड्रंकनेस एंड इंटॉक्सिकेशन. ऑल राइट. एब्स्टिनेंस इसका उल्टा, दूर रहना. हाउ डू वी यूज इट? शी प्रैक्टिस्ड abstinence from alcohol and drugs to maintain her health. अल्कोहल और ड्रग्स दोनों पे थी मैडम, तो दोनों से दूर है आजकल, to maintain her health. And here we have the exercise: affable, friendly, plummet, नीचे आता हुआ, phlegmatic, not showing too much emotion, approbation, appreciation, approval, and abstinence, keeping away. I started drinking again after 6 years off. अरे बाप रे, 6 साल तक abstinence था. फिर बोला love शराब love. Anyway, off. I think 6 years of abstinence. All right, this sentence makes sense. I started drinking again after 6 years of abstinence. All right. Next, the manager helped to ease the frustrations of the disappointed customer. बेटा उनकी जो तकलीफें थी जो उसको ease किया है, frustrations को ease किया है. Okay, so it will be the affable, the friendly manager. कह भाई साहब सुनिए तो. The affable manager helped to ease the frustrations of the disappointed customer. All right. Next, the increase in the bear population, not the beer, opinion wala nahi beta, bear, bhalu. Bear population has caused the salmon population. Okay, salmon तो उसका शिकार होती है, तो अगर bear population बढ़ी तो salmon population क्या होगी? It will go down and heavily, yes, to plummet. All right. The sentence, the increase in the bear population has caused the salmon population to plummet. सब खा गए. Next is, since the political candidate was and hardly ever showed his feelings, he found it difficult to connect with the voters. आप emotional होके connect नहीं कर पा रहे हो. जैसे हमसे कहा गया बच्चों से connect करिए मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. कुछ नहीं, ठीक है, नहीं करना connect. All right, नहीं करना connect तो क्या हो जाएगा फिर? Then you don't show any emotional phlegmatic. All right. Since the political candidate was phlegmatic and hardly ever showed his feelings, he found it difficult to connect with the voters. You don't have to rely on the of others to feel valued and appreciated. Sorry, दूसरों पे थोड़े depend करेंगे to feel valued. हालांकि होता यही है, if the world does not appreciate, it feels very bad. Anyway, you don't have to rely on approbation of others, appreciation of, approval of others. Cool. Okay. You don't have to rely on the approbation of others to feel valued and appreciated. And here we are. Thank you. You may leave. But before you leave, you have to see this, that you can join any of the 2 batches depending on which class you are in and which year you target. You have reached the end of the document. Thank you.